Hey everyone, I am Khadija Preciado. I'm from the channel Her Healthy Home and now from the new book Recipes from the Earth for the face, body, and hair. So let's take a look at it. So Recipes from the Earth has over 40 different recipes for the face, body, and hair, most of which are for the body. I have some really unique things like an eczema and psoriasis oil, I have massage oil, mouthwash, herbal hair tea rinse. I have a herbal oil that you can use. I have facial cleansers, cream, body washes, lotion bars, solid lotion bars, lip balms. I have different recipes for sugar scrubs. I have lavender, Epsom salt, soak. You can check out the actual table of contents with the link down below. But I'm really excited to share this with you all, and I hope that you love these recipes as much as my family does. So these are recipes that were created by myself. I tested them on myself and my family. And if you are a member, you're already a member for $4.99 at the friend level, you're going to get this book free. Plus, you'll also have $5 off the physical copy. So the ebook will be totally free for you because it is going to be $5. And then you get $5 off the $10 price for the physical book. It will be releasing on August 1st, but I'll have it a week early for those members. I also added in a smaller tier for $1.99 so you can get early access to videos, and then you can also join our members chat that's off YouTube, and it's much more relaxed and you can have fun. I definitely want as many people to join into the conversation, and even if you're only a member for a month, you'll still have access to those chats. So let's take a look inside. Yeah, the preface here, I'm just talking a little bit about who this book is for, and it's for beginners or people that like to do-it-yourself recipes in their spare time. So a lot of the ingredients are not very expensive, and you may already have them if you've made other products before. So as I said, here is the table of contents. I have things like an aftershave, and I have different toners and scrubs, body washes. I have foot deodorizer powder, cranberry body oil, the eczema psoriasis oil. That's something I'm really proud of. I have something, even itchy scalp spray that you can have, deep treatment, hair glaze, hair butter, all kinds of interesting recipes that I think that you guys will really love. And then I'm just really proud of how it came out. I think it just looks great. So yeah, worked really hard on it, and I hope that you guys really love it and try these recipes, like from my home to yours. So thanks so much for taking the time to click on this video, and let me know your comments down below. Bye.